Hello everyone. Let's continue with the next algorithm, that is optimal page replacement algorithm. Right? Optimal page replacement algorithm. So optimal page replacement means replace the page which is not used for the longer duration in the future, right? So page which is not used for a longer duration in future means राइट हैंड साइड में अपने को चेक करना पड़ेगा कि जो जितनी ज़्यादा दूरी पे होगा, लॉन्गर डिस्टेंस पे रहेगा, उसी के साथ अपने को क्या करना है, रिप्लेस करना है, राइट? एंड नंबर ऑफ फ्रेम्स आर गिवन एज 4. Number of frames are 4 and this is what the reference string given. So these are the reference string. Now let's see. So number of frames are 4. So here it is 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Just a minute. So reference string is 701 701 2304 2304 2304, then 2303 2303, then 212 212 017 017 01 0 and 1. ठीक है, so just a minute. Okay, now let's try. So here number of frames are 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and algorithm is optimal page replacement algorithm, right? Let's see. So we are looking for the page number 7. Page number 7 is available, not available. So here there is a page fault. Now we are looking for page number 0. Page number 0 is not available, so where to put, we'll put here, and here it is page fault. Next, looking for page number 1, not available, so here it is 7 0, here it is 1 and page fault. What about next? Looking for the page number 2. So 7, 0, 1 and 2, right? Page fault. So here it is, page fault. Okay, now we are looking for page number 3. So which one to replace? Yes, tell me which one to replace according to the page replacement, optimal page replacement algorithm. So we will look about the longer duration in future, right? It means right hand side में इनमें से जो सबसे ज़्यादा दूरी पे होगा उस वाले से रिप्लेस कर देंगे. सो 2 कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे है. 1 कहाँ पे है? 1 यहाँ पे है. 0 कहाँ पे है? 0 यहाँ पे है. और 7 कहाँ पे है? 7 यहाँ पे है. तो किसके साथ रिप्लेस करेंगे बताना जरा. जो सबसे ज़्यादा दूरी पे है राइट हैंड साइड में, तो सबसे ज़्यादा दूरी पे कौन हुआ? 7 ना. तो इसका मतलब 7 के साथ रिप्लेस कर देंगे. इट मीन्स हियर इट इज 3, 0, 1 and 2 and page fault. What about next 0? 0 is already available, no page fault. So here it is 0, 1, 2 and 3 and no page fault means hitting. What about 4? 4 is not available means page fault. Which one to replace? Yes, tell me which one to replace. One. Okay, so let's see. 2 here, 0 here, 3 here, so 1, 1 here. It means longer distance पे कौन है? 1. So we'll replace with 1. So here it is 4, 2, 0 and 3. Now what about 2? 2 is already available, no page fault means hitting. So here it is 2, 4, 0 and 3. What about 3? 3 already available, no page fault. So here it is 3, 0, 4, 2 and hitting. What about next 0? 0 already available. So 0, 4, 2, 3 and hitting. What about next 3? 3 is also hitting, again hitting. So 3, 0, 4, 2 hitting. What about 2? Already available. So hitting 2, 4, 0 and 3 hitting. What about next? Next is it is 1, 1 not available. So which one to replace? Tell me which one to replace. Not available, page fault. Which one to replace? Zero. Okay. Okay, let's see. So here it is 2 and 0 here, 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are not available, right? तो इसका मतलब या तो 4 से रिप्लेस कर दो या 3 से रिप्लेस कर दो. लॉन्गर डिस्टेंस पे तो यही है ना, इनमें से कोई है ही नहीं आगे इन फ्यूचर में, है ना. तो या तो 4 से कर दो रिप्लेस या 3 से कर दो. अदरवाइज कन्फ्यूजन है तो क्या करो, वापिस आ जाओ और वापिस देख लो कौन है लॉन्गर डिस्टेंस पे, राइट. तो यहाँ से 3 और 4 में से कौन है? पहले 3 आएगा फिर 4 आएगा, तो 4 से रिप्लेस कर दो. रिप्लेस विथ 4. So here it is 1, here it is 2, 0, 3 and page fault. Okay. What about next 2? 2 is already available, not a page fault. So 2, 1, 0 and 3 hitting. What about next 0? Already available, hitting. So hit. So 3, 0, 1 and 2 hitting. What about next 1? 1 is available or not? So 1 is available. So it is hitting, not a page fault. 3, 0, 1 and 2. What about 7? 7 not available. Which one to replace? Yes. 7 को किसके साथ रिप्लेस करें? 3. Okay. So 7 is not available means here it is page fault. Which one to replace? Can we replace with 0? No. Can we replace with 1? No. So we can replace with either with 2 or 3. तो देख लेते हैं बैक से. पहले 2 आ रहा है फिर 3 means we'll replace with 3. Replace with 3. So here it is 7, 0, 1 and 2. Okay. And page fault. What about 0? Already available, not a page fault. So here it is hitting. So 7, 0, 1 and 2. What about next 1? Not available. Okay, it is available. So here it is hitting. So 7, 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so this is what the story, and now we can count the number of page fault. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number of page faults are 8. So page fault, that is 8. What about the page hit? Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 hits. So page hit are 11, page faults are 8. This is what the optimal page replacement algorithm. Now tell me, is it clear to all? Clear. Okay, fine. Now let's see the next page replacement algorithm, that is most recently used, MRU. Right? So next one is MRU, most recently used. So we'll replace the page which is most recently used. ठीक है? We'll replace the page with most recently used. So number of frames are given as 3 here, and this is what the reference string. Okay, so let me draw. Just a minute. So number of frames are 3, so here it is 1, 2 and 3, right? Just a minute. Okay, now let me write down. Here it is 7 0 1 2, then 3 0 4 2, 3 0 4 2, 3 0 3, 3 0 3, 2 1 2, 2 1 2, 0 1 7, 0 1 7, 0 1, 0 1. Okay, so this is what the reference string. Now we'll apply the most recently used, MRU. Okay, so page number 7 is available or not? Not available means page fault, so we'll put 7 here. What about next? We are looking for 0, so 0 not available, 7 0 and page fault. What about next? Looking for 1, not available, so page fault, and we'll put 1. So here it is 1. Now we are looking for page number 2. Page number 2 not available means page fault. Which one to replace? So here algorithm is MRU, most recently used. So which one is most recently used? Most recently used is this one. Okay, just nearby, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जो बिल्कुल नज़दीक है वो वाला, राइट. सो 1 के साथ रिप्लेस कर देंगे. सो हियर इट इज़ 2 0 7. What about next? 3. We are looking for 3. 3 is available, not available means there is a page fault. Which one to replace? Yes, tell me which one to replace. Yes, replace with the 2. Yes, just nearby 2. ठीक है, replace with 2. So here it is 3 0 and 7, page fault. What about next? 0. 0 is already available, not a page fault, so here it is phase hit. What about 4? 4 not available. Which one to replace? So 4 is not available, replace with which one? So just nearby means most recently, so 0, so replace with 0. So 4 3 7 and page fault. What about next? 2 not available means page fault. Which one to replace? Replace with 4. So here it is 2 3 7 and page fault. What about next? 3 already available, not a page fault, so 3 to 7 available, hitting. What about next? 0. 0 is available or not? Not available means there is a page fault. Which one to replace? Means page fault. Which one to replace? Replace with 3. So here it is 0 2 7. What about next? 3 not available means page fault. Which one to replace? Replace with 0. So here it is 3 2 7. What about next? 2 already available, not a page fault, hitting. ठीक है, तो ये हिट कर रहा है. What about next one? 1. 1 is available, not available means page fault. Which one to replace? Replace with 2. So here it is 1 3 7. What about next? Next is 2. 2 is available. 2 is available or not? Not available. 2 is not available means page fault. Which one to replace? 1. So here it is 2 7 and 3. What about next one? Okay, it is 14. Okay, next is 0. 0 not available, which one to replace? Means page fault, replace with nearby, that is 2. So here it is 0 3 7. What about next? Next is not available, page fault. Which one to replace? Replace with 0. So here it is 1 3 7. What about next? 7. 7 is already available, not a page fault. So here it is hitting. What about 0? Not available. Which one to replace? Replace with nearby, that is 7. So here it is 0 1 3 and page fault. What about next? 1? 1 is not available. Oh, it is available. So page hit. So here it is hitting, right? So count the total number of page fault: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. So total number of page fault, that is 14. ठीक है, और total number of page fault 14. Total number of hit are 1 2 3 4 and 5. So total number of hit are 5. Okay, so this is what page fault, this is what the page hit. Now tell me, is it clear? Clear, okay, fine. Now let's see the next one. Next is list recently used. List recently used, LRU. Okay, so LRU, replace the page with list recently used, right? जो लिस्ट रिसेंटली यूज किया गया है उसको, लिस्ट रिसेंटली कौन सा होता है, आई विल टेल यू लेटर. ओके, लेट मी ड्रॉ द लाइन्स. 1 2 3 1 2 and 3. Okay, so number of frames are 3. You will try for the number of frames 4. Okay, this is homework for you. You will try for 4 frames. मैं 3 के साथ, and you will try for the 4. So Okay, so here reference string is 70101, then 2304, 2304, then 230, 230, 321, 321, then 201, 201, 701, 70, and 1. This is what the reference string given. Now let's see the list recently used. Okay, so 7 is, we are looking for page number 7, not available. Which one to replace? So इनमें से किसी के साथ भी कर सकते हैं. Let's go with this one. So here it is 7 and page fault. What about next? Next is 0. So 0 is not available, so replace. So already not available means किसी के साथ भी replace कर लो, right? So 0 let me replace with this one and page fault. What about next 1 not available? So here it is 0 and 1, page fault. What about 2? 2 is available, not available. Which one to replace, right? So we can say here it is a most recently used, here this is recently used, and here this is least recently used. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? L stand for list and L stand for left, right? इसका मतलब लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में सबसे ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस पे जो होगा ना उसके साथ रिप्लेस कर देंगे. लिस्ट का मतलब क्या हो गया? L फॉर लिस्ट, L फॉर लेफ्ट, राइट? सो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जो सबसे ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस पे है उसके साथ क्या कर लेंगे? रिप्लेस कर लेंगे, राइट? तो इनमें से सबसे ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस पे कौन है? 7. रिप्लेस विद 7. सो हियर इट इज़ 2, 0, 1 and page fault. What about next 3? 3 is available, not available. Which one to replace? So replace with which one? Tell me. Okay, replace with 0. So 2 most recently, this is what recently, here it is list recently. तो लेफ्ट साइड में सबसे ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस पे, तो इनमें से सबसे ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस पे कौन है? 0. तो इसका मतलब 0 के साथ रिप्लेस कर देंगे. सो हियर इट इज़ 3, 1 and 2, page fault. What about next? 0 not available, it means page fault. Which one to replace? Replace with 1. So here it is 1, sorry, 0, 3, 2. What about next one? Next is 4. 4, which one to replace? So replace with 0, no, 3, no, 2. 2 सबसे ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस पे है तो 2 से रिप्लेस करेंगे. So here it is 4, 3, 0, page fault. What about next one? Next one is 2. Available, not available. Which one to replace? Yes, tell me. Which one to replace? Yes, so replace with 3. So here it is 2, 0, 4, page fault. What about next? Next is 3. Not available means page fault. Which one to replace? 2, no. 4, no. 0. Yes, replace with 0. So here it is 3, 2, 4 and page fault. What about next? Next is 0, 0. So available, not available means page fault. Which one to replace? 3, no. 2, no. 4. Yes, replace with 4. So here it is, yes, of course, 4. So 0, 2, 3 and page fault. What about next 3? 3 is already available, not a page fault. So here it is 3, 2, 0, hitting. What about next 2? 2 is already available. Yes, 2 is available, means 3 2 0 page hit. What about next 1? 1 is available, not available. So which one to replace? 2 3 no 0, 0 के साथ रिप्लेस करेंगे. सो 0 सबसे ज़्यादा दूरी पे है तो इससे कर देंगे. सो हियर इट इज़ 1 2 3. Yes, so page fault. What about 2? Not a page fault. So here it is 3 2 and 1, not a page fault, means hitting. What about next 0? 0 is available, not available. So which one to replace? Replace with 3. Okay, so replace with 3. So here it is 0 2 1, or it is page fault. What about next 1? 1 is already available. So 1 2 0, 1 2 0 available, means hit. What about 7? 7 is page fault. Which one to replace? 1 0 or 2? 2. So here it is, yes. So here it is 2. Okay, 2 से replace किया. 7 0 and here it is 1. What about next 0? Available, not a page fault. So here it is 0 7 and 1. What about next 1? 1 is already available. 1 7 and 0, 1 7 0, and here it is hitting. Okay, so here it is hitting. So now we can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So total page faults are 13. Yes, right. So page faults are 13 and page hit are 1 2 3 4 5 6. So page hit are 6. Okay, so this is what the story of LRU, list recently used. Now tell me, is it clear to all? Okay, fine. Next thing, if we observe the reference string, this reference string is same for all the questions, right? So if we use FIFO, first in first out, or we use optimal, or if we use LRU or MRU, right? Out of that you will get that most of time optimal is the best one, right? So optimal में सबसे कम क्या होंगे? पेज फॉल्ट मिलेंगे. Most of time you will get that in optimal you will get the lesser page fault, right? तो इनमें से अगर क्वेश्चन दे रखा है और पूछा जाए कि कौन से वाले में कम पेज फॉल्ट होंगे, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? सिंप्लीफाई करके देखना पड़ेगा, राइट? फिर तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? सबके पेज फॉल्ट चेक करके देखने पड़ेंगे. लेकिन अगर पूछ रखा है इनमें से कौन से वाला बेस्ट रहेगा, किसमें लेसर पेज फॉल्ट होंगे, सो वी कैन से इन ऑप्टिमल पेज रिप्लेसमेंट. ओके, सो दिस पॉइंट इज क्लियर टू ऑल. ओके ओके फाइन. सो जब रेफरेंस स्ट्रिंग दे रखी होगी फिर तो हमें सबका चेक करना पड़ेगा पेज फॉल्ट निकाल के. अदरवाइज बेस्ट वन इज ऑप्टिमल, वी कैन से ऑप्टिमल वन इज द बेस्ट वन.